Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can either change the payment method, remove a payment method, or add a payment method such as a credit card to your Amazon account. So to do this, we're going to head on over to Amazon.com. Once you're over at Amazon's website, log in to your Amazon account. And once you're logged in, what we want to do is hover over where it says Account and Lists, and then go down and click where it says Your Account. And then once we're in the Your Account page, what we want to do is find where it says Order and Shopping Preferences, then go down and click where it says Your Payments. And then in the Your Payments area in the Wallets tab, it's going to list your credit and debit cards right here, as well as when they expire. So let's say, for instance, we wanted to remove one of these credit cards. So whichever one that you want to remove, click the little down arrow over on the right-hand side. And then over on the right-hand side, simply click Remove. And then it will ask for your confirmation saying if you do not want this payment method to be displayed in your list of payment options, then click Confirm Remove. So we're going to go ahead and click Confirm Remove. And it said that that particular credit card has now been removed. So just go ahead and click Update to finish things off. And it says your account has been successfully updated. So we're going to click OK. So let's say you wanted to add an additional payment method. So to do this, we're going to scroll down on this page. And there's a number of different options here where you can add a new payment method. You have the credit and debit cards option right here, clicking where it says Add a credit or debit card. You can also add a personal checking account, for instance, through this button right here where it says Add a personal checking account. You can get an Amazon.com store card. So there's a lot of different options that we have here. So let's say we wanted to add a credit or debit card. We're going to click right here. And then it's just as simple as entering in your credit card number, the name on the credit card, the expiration date. And if you want to set this new payment method as the primary default payment method, just check this little box and then click where it says Add your card. And then finally showing you how to change your preferred payment method. So to do this, you head on over to the Settings tab. And to change your default purchase preferences, such as your preferred payment method, go ahead and click where it says Change Preference. And under your purchase preferences, you're going to have your default purchase preference right here at the top. And what you want to do is find your payment method in this area and click where it says Change. And then in the Select a Payment Method area, just either pick one of your current credit or debit cards that you have on file, or what you can do is add a credit or debit card in this area and click Continue. And that should successfully change your default payment method in your PayPal account. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through how you can either remove a payment option, add a payment option, or change your default payment method through your Amazon account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.